Hey, I'm Tyler with Food Liability Insurance Program, or as we like to call it, FLIP. When you're trying to choose the right liability insurance for your catering business, cost is an important factor. In this video, I'll be answering common questions and breaking down the price of insurance from FLIP. That way, you can choose the best coverage for your needs with less hassle. Let's start by taking a look at how much catering insurance costs from FLIP. A base general liability policy starts as low as $25.92 a month, or $299 a year, and covers third-party property damage and bodily injury claims. The cost of your premium can be affected by a few factors, including your business's gross annual income, what coverage you select, and your claims history. It's easy to customize your FLIP policy with add-on coverages if you need to. Add-ons include a food trailer endorsement, tools and equipment coverage, and cyber liability insurance. Each of these will increase the cost of your premium. Another factor that can affect the cost of catering insurance is your business's annual revenue. Businesses that generate more income carry more risks, and your premium can go up depending on what your business's gross annual income is. For example, if you work large, high-paying events with hundreds of guests, there's a greater chance of somebody getting injured than if you're only catered to small events of less than 100 people. When filling out your application, it's important to be as accurate as possible about your business's yearly earnings. This helps us determine the appropriate amount of coverage for your business. The third factor behind the cost of your premium is your claims history. If you have a history of filing claims, your insurance company can assume you'll make more claims in the future versus someone who's never filed a claim before. Think of it this way. When you buy catering insurance, you and a bunch of other caterers each contribute to a shared fund each month. That money is there for any of you to use in case something goes wrong. If you've filed several claims in the past, it's likely you'll have to do so again. To keep things fair, you'll pay a little more each month since you're more likely to use that shared fund than someone who has never used it before. The best way you can prevent paying higher premiums is to mitigate risks that could lead to claims. There are a few ways you can do this as a caterer. Keep walkways clear of clutter and tripping hazards, cook and store all foods at a safe temperature, regularly inspect your gear and equipment before events, and label foods that contain common allergens. We understand how important it is for you to keep your insurance costs low while still getting high quality coverage for your catering business. Head over to flipprogram.com for more information and get your free quote in 10 minutes or less.